Wait, if you can understand my English, your English is pretty good. Today, try not to look at the subtitles. Don't look, okay? Today's story is about my best friend, Emma. And Emma and I met 10 years ago, a long time ago. And Emma and I met in school. When we met, Emma was a very picky eater. She did not try many different types of foods because Emma is originally from China. She was adopted from China and brought to the United States, America. And her family is all American United States citizens, not from China. They adopted her from China. So Emma never tried much Asian cuisine as a kid. So one day, Emma and I were eating lunch together, and I always brought all kinds of weird food like Japanese curry and Indian food and Thai food. And Emma thought the food I brought was crazy. But she thought my dumplings looked good. The Japanese dumplings I brought from home. So she asked to try one. She felt nervous at first, but she tried it and realized she liked it. So this was the beginning of Emma trying new foods. And now Emma eats almost anything. She loves Indian food, she loves Japanese food, she loves Thai food. And I think it is so amazing to see her starting as a picky eater and growing to someone to try new things. Okay, did you understand my English story? If yes, I am so impressed. Can you tell me what it means to be a picky eater? Do you have any friends who are picky eaters? Or are you a picky eater? Tell me in the comments. Okay, keep practicing every day. You got this.